Hey baddies, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to go ahead and work through my paycheck for the first week of October. If you're interested in how that goes, stay tuned. So if you notice, my numbers are new. There's some new things happening in my life. If you were part of our live the other day, you kind of got to see that. But just go ahead and stick with me through this. Let's get through it together and we'll get all these new numbers figured out. Okay. For my income this check, I'm working with $4,500, an obvious increase, but you will see why. Let's go ahead and do our variable expenses first. There's probably money left in here. I have not been cash stuffing. I've been living off of my credit card and just paying that back. Life has been lifing, y'all. So I'm actually just gonna take all of this money out of here and I'm gonna put it towards challenges. I need to catch up on my 52-week savings challenge. I need to catch up. I need to try to finish out my 1,500. I'm working on my 100 envelope challenge. So this $60 that I have left over is gonna go there. I'm just gonna set this to the side for now. Okay, so first things first, for our variable expenses here, I'm going to go ahead and stuff $100 for gas. That's what it's going to take to fill up my truck. I'm going to go ahead and put this in here, and I'm actually going to start filling up my gas on my credit card, and then I'll just pay it back. Groceries are going to get $150. We need lots of groceries. I don't know how much groceries this is going to get, but this is the budget. Dining out is going to get $40, so we're going to grab $20, $40 for that. We're definitely trying to cut back and trying to eat out just once a week. Y'all know we are trying to get our health together. Spending money is going to get $50. I think I'm going to do it in 20, 40, 50 for that. Help a Human is going to receive $20. I'm just gonna do a 20. I up this a little bit because we've been seeing a lot of people around here lately that need help. So, and I'm actually not gonna do puppies this week, but instead I'm gonna use this one for my household envelope. I didn't have time to make me one, but I'm gonna go ahead and put $200 in there, and you'll find out why later on. Okay. So that is everything for our variable expenses. So we're all good. Okay, up next we are going to work on fixed expenses, which are our bills. And my bills are here inside of Freddy, one of my favorite Halloween guys. New envelopes because we have new categories. So, as opposed to paying rent anymore, honey, we are now saving up to pay our first month's mortgage. So, for this week's payment, we are going to save $1,325. So 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,320, 1,325. So yes, we are hopefully closing on a home soon if everything goes well. So mama's got a new payment. Up next is our water. I'm just putting 50 in all of these utilities because I'm not sure how much they're going to be. It's a new place, new part of town. So we'll see. So we're gonna do 50 each week in each of these, and hopefully that'll be enough to cover us for our first month. And also for gas, we're gonna do 50 as well. Okay, up next we have subscriptions. We're gonna skip over, well, let's just go ahead and do it. Over here for all of our subscriptions, we need $70. So instead of writing out each one and paying it week by week, I save them in here and then we'll move them over to the subscription binder in another video. So for subscriptions, we need $70 for this week. So we'll go 20, 30, 40, 45, 50, and then we're gonna do $20 in ones. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So here's our $70 for subscriptions, which covers all of our streaming services and any subscriptions that we're currently using. Self-lender, I'm actually going to hold off on. I actually just completed my self-lender certificate of deposit. I'm not going to start it again until I am settled in my new home. I don't need no more bills, okay? Lawn care, I'm not sure what that's going to cost. We do have a lot more land, so I'm just going to do $63 a week. So 50, 60, 61, 62, 63. We do have a ride-on lawnmower, but I don't know if I'm anyway, T-Mobile is gonna get $40. That bill is staying the same. Our Wi-Fi, I'm just gonna do $25 a week. Our current Wi-Fi bill is like $60, so I'm not planning on it being too much more expensive in our new home, but we'll add just a little extra just in case. We now have to pay for trash. So trash is $12.50 a week. We're gonna go ahead and do 13, 10, 11, 12, 13. Never had to pay for trash before. We always just walked our trash to the alley, so, you know. New levels, right? Security is gonna get $38. This is another one I'm not sure about, but we'll figure it out once we get there, but at least I'll have something towards the cost of that, because we do have an alarm system. So that's everything for our new bills. I'm sure there's something I missed. I'm sure there's an expense I missed, but this will pretty much get me there safely and at least make me feel like I'm on track to being able to cover those first month's expenses. We're gonna move over to the other side of our budget planner, and we are going to start working on sinking funds. So first up, we are going to work on our high priority sinking funds. So we made some changes within here as well. Here's Michael. So at first you see the normals. So emergency fund is going to get its normal $25. So there's 20 and 5. So in emergency fund, we now have 100, 2, 3, 4, 5, 550, 570, 590, 610, 630, 650, 670, 680, 685, 690. Okay, and Christmas, we are going to be adding, oh, let me write it in up here. Okay, for Christmas, we are going to be adding $100. So now in Christmas, we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 820, 40, 60, 80, 90, 900, 910, 920, $921 in Christmas. For our out-of-pocket medical, we're going to be adding $100. If you don't know, I am self-employed, haven't found an insurance plan that works for me, so I cash pay everything. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 620, 40, 60, 80, 700, 727, 47, 60. I am going to be changing that soon because I do want to start investing and using my HSA money, and you need an insurance plan to do that. So up next, we have Black Friday. So again, moving into a new home, I have to furnish an entire home. So this Black Friday, I'm going to try to find some sales. So Black Friday, we're going to add $500. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ooh, hold on to the money, girl. Okay, so 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. Ooh, not the fly. Ugh, they're annoying. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 950, 970, 990, $1,010 into Black Friday. What I could do here is go ahead and take, these are new, y'all. They aren't even on the site yet. One of our placeholders here, the $1,000 one, go ahead and take that out and put this in. But I'm going to shoot a video doing a cash exchange here in a bit, and I'll do that. Because every $1,000 or so, you want to go ahead and put it into the bank, into a high yield savings account, or invest it or something so that you're not missing out on any interest you could be making. And we made placeholders this time down to $300. So for those of you who are really scared about keeping money, you can use placeholders at really any amount. Okay, so I also have one for pots and pans. So in pots and pans, we're going to add $350, 100, 200, 350. I really Just wanted a nice set of pots and pans for my new house. I've never had a nice set, so that's gonna cover that. Patio furniture, I guess nothing from this check. My Sam's run is gonna get $100. That's just for that first week in the home. Anything we need, we can grab from Sam's. A couch, we're gonna add $100 to that one. Rugs, we're going to add $100 there as well. We do need a vacuum, so that one's gonna get $50. Let's do 20, 40, 50. I think that's how I wanted to do that. Okay, and for our washing machine, it's gonna get $100, and I believe the exact same for our dryer. I actually found the one I wanted and it's on sale, so I may go ahead and buy it and then just pay myself back. And then hot tub, we'll talk about that later, but we're not adding anything to that today. So that's it for the high priorities. Up next is low priority. And we have ghost face on our low priorities. Pull that down so I can see here. So nothing for car maintenance, but holidays is going to be receiving $25. This is another one. We're moving in pretty close to Halloween, so I want to be able to get just a little decor. I know it's like we're literally like 3 days before Halloween, but I want to be able to give out candy and have a little bit of decor, so we're going to use this fund. 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 520, 525. I've never been able to decorate for holidays, so I'm really excited to be able to do that in my own home. Insurance deductible is going to get $50. This is for my vehicle, so $50. So we have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 850, 900, 920, 940, 960, 980, 985, 990. I'm actually gonna switch these two 50s for 100 because I know I'm gonna need them. Okay, clothes and shoes isn't getting anything. Life insurance is going to give $48. So, in here we're gonna do 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48. So in life insurance, this is to pay, I'm saving up to pay 1 year ahead on the premium for life insurance for a relative. So that's what this is. 100, 200, 300, 400, 420, 40, 60, 80, 500, 520, 40, 60, 80, 600, 610, 615, 616, 617, 618. So we have $618 in there. Up next we have, get down, Papa. Sorry, y'all, Pinky is wanting to get picked up. I can't pick you up right now. I'm trying to catch stuff. You want to tell the people hello? Oh. Tell the people, let's see if I can put you up here. Pinky wants to say hello. Tell the people hello. See you messing up my setup. They can't even see you. Get down. Okay, Pinky done knocked my stuff everywhere. Back to my nieces, they're gonna get $150. It's fine, Papa, I'm almost done. He's snuggly today, so he needs some loving. So $150 for them. So they have 100, 200, 300, and $50. They'll be here Thursday, so I wanted to have a little something for them. Spending money's not getting anything. My puppies are going to get $100, 50, 70, 90, 100 for the pups. Therapy is going to get 75, so 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, and 75. That we're going to be adding into therapy. So in here now we have 100, 200, 20, 40, 60, 80, 300, 20, 40, 60, 70, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80. which I need to start therapy, but I can't find a new therapist to save my life. Skincare is getting nothing, neither is Rico, neither is car insurance. Okay, so the very last thing we're going to do here is go ahead and add to our extra savings and investments. So the only one we're doing today is our October savings challenge. And we're gonna be adding $80 to this challenge today. I was gonna use this one, but I'm gonna use orange. Since it's October. So I'm adding $80 today, so that's 4 little bats. Let me color those in. We're gonna be adding $80, so $20, $40, $60, $80 into our October savings challenge. Oh, I like to put the tracker at the front. Okay, so that's everything for our savings challenges. That's our entire budget. As you can see here, we started with $4,500. This is extra, y'all, because I was making change along the way. Ignore this. Our expenses, our debt, our sinking funds, our extra savings, and then we have a zero-based budget. So that's it for this week, y'all. I will catch y'all next week. I'm going to try to hit this every week. Hold me to it. Y'all have a good week. Bye.